Now this one's called Lightning Strikes Twice. Now there's Dermot. He's Henry's right-hand man. Jan pointed down the lane. He's a nice old boy, but tell you truth, he got more brawn than brain. He's what you might call gullible to the daftest seed that's sod, because all he do is scratch his head and say, well, I'll be blawed. We was up there on the farm one day, and Dermot's throat was mad. Oh, he had this awful hacking cough that was driving Henry mad. He said, Dermot, you're as cheering as a undertaker's clerk. I've tried all sorts, old Dermot said, but nothing seemed to work. 'Tis my bronchioles, the doctor said. Me chest is like a drum. And I thought I could told thee that's the reason why I come. Said Henry, we have much the same with the Guernsey cow of mine. And the thing the vet prescribed was stuff called Lightning 99. I believe I still got half a jug in a bottle in the barn. If he's good enough for livestock, boy, he won't do you no harm. Well, I'll be blowed, said Dermot. Do you think he'll do the trick? I expect they call him Lightning because he's powerful and quick. So Dermot got the bottle, chucked the quart upon the hay, and the smell went down a buffalo from 20 yards away. But he never seemed to notice as he raised them to his lip, while ignoring Henry's warning that he only take a sip. Instead, he took a guzzle. You can earn gurgling down. For a minute, nothing happened. Then his smile became a frown. Then his eyes began to water, and his legs began to shake, and his cheeks was two like rainbows with a storm about to break. Well, I'll be blowed, he whispered, and dashed headlong for the door, running 3 times round the hayrick till he couldn't run no more. And he's done a little pirouette as dainty as you wish, and dived straight in the horse trough like a gannet after fish. Oh, he'll be all right, said Henry, once we dragged him out the trough. I think we cured his bronchioles. I never heard him cough. That Lightning 99 is good, but he slipped my mind somehow. Now I come to think about it, the same thing happened to the cow.